Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word tan. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. After a week at the beach, Sarah had a deep tan that made her look like she had spent the entire summer outside. Tan refers to the darkening of skin due to exposure to sunlight. It can be achieved naturally or artificially through tanning beds or lotions. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.